is Ruthline, and today I will perform assist client in bagging. So, wash hands, sanitize, then wear my gloves on, then go to the patient. Yeah, so hi mommy, how are you feeling right now? Yeah, so by the way, my name is Ruthline, your assigned caregiver to assist you, to take you from bathing. So, but before that, can I check if you have skin allergy or rashes? Yan, so ano daw yung check natin?
Skin allergy or rashes.
Yan, okay. So far, wala naman ma'am, so pwede kitang paliguan. Ayan. So check ko muna yung vital signs mo kung okay lang din. Ayan, wala ka rin naman lagnat, so pwede kitang paliguan. Pero bago niyan ma'am, iwan muna kita just 10 to 15 minutes and just do to prepare your materials. Okay ma'am? Yan, pag nag-prepare tayo naman ng materials, ito po ilalagay na natin dito. After preparing the materials, I remove my gloves, wash my hands, sanitize, then wear another clean gloves. Then, get mo yung towel na isa, at saka bathrobe. Then, assist the client. Ayan. So, ma'am already gathered the materials, so can I assist you to the comfort room? Ayan. Can you please step on the rubber mat to avoid slippery? Have a seat, ma'am. Yeah, paupuin niyo siya dito sa bath chair natin. Okay, stand up, ma'am. And then, kindly remove your dress. Yan. So, mag-undress si madam dito kunwari yan. Kapag naka-remove na siya ng damit, ma'am, get the bathrobe and then put it on your own. So, able naman si patient dito, so pwede siyang maglagay ng bathrobe niya. Di ba, lalagay mo talaga yan, ma'am. So, ito po, kailangan nakaganito kayo para hindi makitaan si patient, ha? Are you done, ma'am? Okay. Then, let's go, ma'am. Wash your hands first. Yan. So, dito sa bathing, more on assist lang kayo, ma'am. Wash your hands, ma'am. Okay, done. Okay, then pat dry your hands. Okay, so may I know ma'am if you have dentures?
No.
Wala naman. So brush your teeth. Yeah, so yung pagkakasunod-sunod nito ma'am ha. Okay, done. Okay, mouthwash ma'am. Okay. Next, here's your Kojic soap ma'am. Wash your face. Okay, done. Kailangan lang mabanggit nyo lang yung mga yan. Okay, pat dry your face ma'am. Okay, done. Okay, so let me assist you, ma'am. So, have a seat at the bath chair. Okay, then, itong privacy blanket, ilagay nyo ngayon sa lap ni patient. Then, get the 2 basin, put warm water inside. So, assume that you already put warm water. Then, ipapatest nyo ngayon ito kay client kung tama ba yung temperature ng water, ma'am. So, can you please patempt nga, ma'am, yan. Ay, too hot. Okay, so dagdagan natin ng water daw. And then after that, lagay nyo dito. Kung kanina yung kamay yung winash natin, ngayon naman yung arms ni patient. Yung aarihin natin. Then yung sabon. So, wet your arms ma'am and then apply soap. Yes po. Ayan, okay. Then, tapon. Kunin yung pangalawa pang banlaw. Okay, banlaw ma'am. Okay, you're done ma'am. Pat dry your hands. Okay. Okay, next. So, sa taas yung si patient, tayo naman dito sa lower ma'am. So, can I assist you ma'am? Dito naman, tayo naman dito. Okay, so assume warm water na, okay na. Then, test nyo yung init ma'am. Okay. So, wet first yung paa, then sabon.
Wala naman. Assuming parang yun.
Okay, then next, banlaw. Okay, then after nun, pat dry. Okay, remove. Pat dry. Remove. And then throw it. Then as the patient if gusto niya umihi. Pero syempre, oo yan. So, ma'am, may I know if you wanna pee? Yes, ayan. So, mag-message si ma'am. Dito ko na lang po namin masarap. Ayan. So, with that, ma'am, I'm going to leave you just for your additional privacy. So, if you're done, just call me, ma'am. So, ibaba nyo ngayon tong curtains pag lalabas kayo. Or yung door. So, are you done, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so here's your feminine wash. At tapos ito, aabutin lang ni patient ha, hindi kayo tilingan. Okay, the bidet is in your beside, ma'am. Kindly use it. So, are you done, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, so, can I come in?
Yes,
Okay, dyan na lang. Yan. Tapos lahat ng ginamit nyo, this side lang, para ito yung i-aftercare nyo yan lahat naman. Okay, so with that, ma'am, stand up, ma'am, and then, kung kanina, half bath yung ginawa natin, ngayon naman, mag-full bath na tayo. Okay, remove your bathrobe, ma'am. Then, put it on my arms. Yan, di ba nag-undress siya kanina, so wala siyang
Damit.
suot diyan. Tapos ngayon naman, lalong wala na, okay? Hold the privacy, ma'am, you're going outside. Yan, so naka-cover yan sa inyong hand. Okay, then after that, secure yourself, so close na yung curtains. Ma'am, can you please hand over me the towel? So, alam, maliligo siya may towel. Siyempre, hindi, di ba? Okay, so with that, ma'am, if you need anything like shampoo, just let me know. You need shampoo?
Yes, I need conditioner.
Conditioner agad?
Conditioner
yung sabi
agad.
na. Here's your conditioner, ma'am. Nauna yung conditioner lang. So, mahuli yung shampoo. Okay, here's your shampoo.
Hindi ko niya
Ma'am,
rin nag-shampoo kahapon.
ma'am, ilagay mo lang sa ano, ma'am. Doon. Ayan. Then, here's your body wash, ma'am. Ayan. So, kindly rinse your body properly, ma'am. So,
Okay,
just
I'm
tell
done.
me if you're done.
Yes, I'm done.
You're done. Oh. Kung nakita nyo itong mga to, yung mga solid na yan, ha, yung mga magugulo. So, dito tayo. Towel. So, here's your towel, ma'am. So, iaabot nyo lang yan, ha. Remember, yung patient nyo, hubad yan. So, hindi muna kayo papasok, ha.
Full bath lang.
Yes po, full bath. Then, paki-cover yan, ma'am. Paki-secure sa katawan mo, ma'am, para makapasok ako later on. So, are you done, ma'am?
Yes.
So, can I come in now?
Parang may sakit siya.
Yan. Tapos, dala-dala nyo yung isang ganito.
Bathroom. Malinis.
Bathrobe, yung malinis ulit. Okay, ma'am. So, let me assist you to wear your new bathrobe. So, panibagong bathrobe ulit to, ha? So, si caregiver naman yung magsusuot na nito. Ayan. Then, remove the towel inside, ma'am. Ma'am, laki ah.
Makikita na yan pag ganyan.
Oo. Nakakapit kasi sa tuwalyo.
Okay, then have a seat, ma'am. Then let's do the skincare. Yan. Skincare, syempre, yung mga magpaganda ni client. Yan. So, kunwari, ito yung moisturizer cream ni patient sa face niya. True face. Ano pa ba? Supplies. So, would you want me to comb your hair or do it on your own, ma'am? Okay. Yan. So, able na si patient. Lotion na.
Lotion.
Next is yung lotion niya. So, lotion mo sa arms mo. Then, lotion naman sa legs is si caregiver.
Hindi siya pwedeng makapalot na.
Ano?
Pinali mo na siya sa
Yes, ma'am. Pwede. Pwede. As long as maano yung mga skincare routine ni patient. Ayan. Then after that, syempre, hindi pa kayo mag-perfume yan kasi nga naka-ano pa siya. So, dito
Bathroom.
kayo sa pinaka-dress niya, nasa laptop niya. So, stand up, ma'am. Then, suot na natin yung paborito mong damit. Okay. So, ito yung gagawin nyo na.
X-ray.
Gagawin nyo na tong privacy niya, nakaganyan kayo. Okay, ma'am, remove your bathrobe, then put it on my arms. Okay. So, dito may tinatanong pala dito, ha, kung kunwari, yung weak at saka yung strong niya. So, pag magtatanggal kayo ng damit, saan ka dapat mauuna pala?
Yung strong.
Magtatanggal.
Oo.
Kapag maglalagay ng damit,
Yung sa week.
Yung sa week ang unahin.
Sa week.
Tama sa week ha. Kasi yung week, remember, nakaganyan lang yan.
Oo.
Hindi niyan maaangat. Unlike kay strong, nagaganyan
Oo.
yan. Okay?
So sa week lahat maaano. Sa week.
Kapag magtatanggal ka ng damit,
Sa week.
strong.
Sa strong pagtanggal.
Opo,
Oo.
yan. So, kahit tayo nyo lang, single nut lang dito lang sa taas. Okay, then after that, dun ka mag-spray ng
Perfume.
spray. Okay, then labas na. Yan, so next is you, ma'am. So where do you want to rest, ma'am? At your room or at the sala?
The sala.
Okay, so next is you. So have a seat, ma'am. So with that, ma'am, just relax, ma'am. I'll do my aftercare. Okay, ma'am? So sa aftercare natin, lahat ng ginamit nyo, ilalabas nyo ulit din lahat to. Kung saan nyo kinuha, doon nyo ilalagay. Tapos ito, tutupiin nyo rin po to para yung susunod na mag-assessment o gagawa ng batting ay nakaayos na din.
Tinanggal ko na.
Sige lang, ma'am. So wala naman ng proper ano dito eh, foldings ng ano natin.
Then document din po lahat ng ano ma'am.
Yes. Yan, after ng aftercare natin, remove gloves, hand wash, sanitize, then put another gloves on, then go to the patient ulit to check the
Vital sign.
So, kamusta mami ang pagligo natin? Na-refresh po ba?
Naantok na nga eh.
Yan, naantok ulit.
Naantok
And so,
na.
check po ulit natin yung vital signs niyo po. Ayan, okay naman po ma'am yung ano nyo. So, gusto niyo bang mag-relax na ma'am? Okay, matutulog na po kayo. Sige ma'am. So, iwanan ko na po kayo. Thank you for your cooperation. So, I remove my gloves, wash hands, sanitize, and document on my care plan.
Okay.